In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Xero in just about 5 minutes. Starting off, let's navigate our way to Xero's official website. This is your gateway to accessing a wide range of accounting solutions tailored for small and medium-sized businesses. Once you've reached the site, you'll notice a login button situated at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. Now you're going to enter your login credentials. Type in your email and password associated with your Xero account. If by chance you've forgotten your password, there's always a handy forgot password link to help you reset it. But assuming you've entered everything correctly, proceed to click on Login. After successfully logging in, you're ushered into the Xero dashboard, a central hub from where you can manage your business's financial activities. Your next move is to head over to the My Xero page from your dashboard. It's here where you'll find an array of options to manage your account details and subscriptions. Speaking of which, to tweak your profile settings or review your subscriptions, locate and click on Edit Profile. This action opens up your profile page filled with personal details and preferences for you to adjust as needed. Venturing deeper, it's time to explore the Subscriptions tab. You're inching closer to expanding or modifying your Xero services, and this is where it all happens. Spot the Add Subscription option and click on it. Here, Xero unfolds an assortment of subscription plans and services that cater to different business needs. With an array of choices at your fingertips, it's essential to input your business details next. This step is crucial as it aids Xero in tailoring the perfect subscription plan for your business. Fill in the necessary information, keeping accuracy in mind. Then it's time to commit to a selection. Click on Buy Now to affirm your choice of subscription. Xero takes you to a screen where you can select your preferred plan. Take your time to understand what each plan offers and how it aligns with your business needs before making a selection. Once decided, proceed by clicking on Continue to Add-ons. This section lets you augment your subscription with various add-ons designed to enhance your experience and meet specific business requirements. Scrutinize each add-on carefully. Their benefits could be invaluable to your operations. Progressing forward, you'll now click on Continue to Billing Account. It's here where you'll ensure your billing information is up to date. Confirm or update your billing details as necessary to avoid any hiccups with payment processing. Nearing the conclusion of this process, you are now prompted to continue to review and pay. This is a critical step where you'll review all your subscription and add-on choices along with the total cost. Ensure everything aligns with what you've decided on previously before proceeding. The final act involves providing your card details for payment. Fill in the required fields with your credit or debit card information. As you finalize this step, take a moment to double check the accuracy of your payment details. Incorrect information could delay your subscription activation. Once you're confident that all details are correct, go ahead and confirm the payment. Congratulations! You've successfully subscribed to Xero, ushering in a new era of effortless financial management for your business. To recap, we navigated from logging into the Xero website, selecting and customizing our subscription, all the way to confirming payment details. Each step, we emphasized the importance of careful selection and accurate information input, ensuring a seamless transition or upgrade to your new Xero subscription. As you begin to explore and utilize your new or upgraded Xero services, remember that their customer support and extensive help resources are just a click away, ready to assist you in maximizing your Xero experience. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it has been insightful and assists you in your journey toward efficient financial management with Xero.